Good day. I am Yolanda R from the Philippines, an activist, and I am currently the national coordinator of a huge network in the Philippines that supports the struggle of communities against mining and other aggressive and destructive development projects. I am a pioneering advocate of the Rights of Nature campaign in the Philippines also, that gave birth to a robust and far-reaching rights of nature movement in the country that is pushing for law that would recognize the rights of nature or a specific ecosystem. Most importantly, the movement is concerned about protecting distressed ecosystems in the country, including the Verde Island Passage, and plans to file cases on their behalf.
Muchas gracias. Quisiera pedirte, por favor, que compartas la información respecto de los impactos en el ecosistema y la población que está sucediendo en la isla verde de Filipinas.
All right. We will present the case of the Verde Island Passage, which has become a victim of an oil spill and further at risk because it is threatened by the expansion of the fossil fuel or the liquefied natural gas. May we ask the honorable judges to allow us to show a video to provide a bit of a context for the case, and so that we will not anymore discuss it. Yet, to recognizing the rights of nature, we have already filed a bill that will recognize the rights of nature in Congress. And this is the perspective that we will use in looking at the impact of the oil spill in the Verde Island Passage. We believe that the rights of the VIP ecosystem and all its inhabitants have been violated. The oil spill has impacted all marine inhabitants, community of people around the BIP, as BIP is home to critically endangered hawkbill turtles, majestic whales, graceful manta rays, the gentle dugongs, the magnificent humphead wrasses, the colossal giant groupers, resilient giant clams, and to 300 species of coral reefs, 32 species of mangroves, and 20 species of seagrasses. At the same time, it has directly affected 13,000 fisher folks in the area and 200,000 people. The Center for Energy and Ecology and Development, an independent research advocacy and institution, estimated that the oil spill caused environmental damage totaling to around 40.1 billion pesos and a socio-economic losses totaling to 1.1 billion. BIP's rights to life and to exist has been violated. A day after the spill, ground zero of the oil spill yielded dead fishes on the shorelines, and oil slicks smothered the roots and leaves of the mangroves. A week after the tragedy, the government's DENR projected more than 2,000 hectares of corals, 1,000 hectares of seagrasses, and over 1,006 hectares of mangrove is damaged and will be damaged. However, these estimates are conservative, and government wishes somehow to downgrade the damage done by the oil spill, because academics like the University of the Philippines Marine Science Institute estimated 5 to 10 times more the extent of the damage. The right to be free from contamination and pollution has been violated also. The right to have clean water, because the water testing done 3 times showed that the water quality is actually exceeding and not passing the standard of a good quality. So that the right to regenerate and flourish is consequently violated. In fact, a year after the spill, even though fishing activities returned to normal, Oriental Mindoro fisherfolk reported that the catch has dwindled from about 20 kilos a day to 5.7.
Muchas gracias, Yoli. Te pido por favor que no te retires del podio. Ahora vamos a llamar a Edwin Garín.